You know what the 5 biggest mistakes that I see wholesalers making around the country are? Let's check this out. Boom! Everybody, it is Brent Daniels. Welcome back. We're going to be counting down the top 5 mistakes that I see wholesalers making every single day in their business, starting with number 5, which is this: creative avoidance. I see wholesalers around the country coming up with creative ways to avoid calling people. I see people coming up with logo ideas and website ideas, and they have to put together their business cards, and they have to go to all the rehab meetings, and they have to go and watch video after video after video. Listen to me. You only need one channel to learn how to wholesale, and you're on it, baby. And I only put out 3 a week. So the rest of your week should be used talking to people every single day. Okay, listen to me. Creative avoidance is destroying your business. Well, Brent, I need to know more about the title company or the closing attorney, or I need to know the purchase contract perfect, or I need to know the assignment agreement perfect. No, you don't. You need to go out and have quality conversations with distressed property owners, period. The end. Focus on what the engine is of the business and not out of all the things that you're trying to do to creatively avoid making those calls, talking to those distressed property owners. Once you stop doing that, once you put creative avoidance out of your life, out of your business, your income is going to explode, okay? Number 2 is complacency. I'm sorry, number 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brent, come on. Complacency. This I see all the time with successful people. People come to my channel, they go out there, they drive for dollars, they use the Deal Machine app, they get it cheap with the TTP coupon code, they get the phone number from batch skip tracing, they call people, they get deals, they make 10,000, 5,000, 15, 20,000, and then all of a sudden they don't do another deal for the rest of the year because of complacency. Okay, that big check all of a sudden took all that heat off you. All of a sudden you got to a little bit of that pressure that you had from all your bills and all your, people saying that you can't do it, and then you do it, and all of a sudden you're a superstar and you're complacent and you're just chill. No, I challenge everybody out there, do not get complacent. Start every day at 0. No money in your account, no leads, no deals, no opportunities. You start every day at 0 and you ask yourself, who is going to sign a contract today? Start every day at 0. It destroys complacency. Don't let one check be your whole career. Remember, to be in the Hall of Fame, you have to have a career worth, a long year after year after year of success. That's what I want for you. So don't get complacent. Number 3 is being a CBE. Do you know what that stands for? Cash buyer employee. This means that when you lock up a deal and you get it under contract, you're bringing it to the same 2 or 3 buyers every single time. I am telling you, you are getting 50% of what you could make if you blasted it out to all the cash buyers. One, you got to build up a cash buyer database, but you can go on Facebook groups. You can go and find people on LinkedIn. You can go and find people on Craigslist, on meetups, on you talk to the title companies, talk to hard money lenders. You can find so many opportunities. Get every real estate agent in your area that has ever done an investment deal and find them and get their email and reach out to them or call them, better yet. Okay, don't be a cash buyer employee. You will always be undercutting your income by 50% if you're taking it to the same buyers every time. You know it's true, especially if you're out there doing deals, especially if you've done some and you're like, I just want to make sure it gets sold. I feel bad for the seller. Don't inherit the anxiety of the distressed seller once you get a contract. Do you know how to not do that? You get a big, robust cash buyer database and you blast your deals out to every single one. Got it? Beautiful. Number 2, okay? On the top 5 mistakes I see. Listen to me very closely. Wholesaling is not, N-O-T, not real estate investing. It's not. Wholesaling is a marketing. Wholesaling is prospecting. Wholesaling is finding opportunities. It is not buying and selling real estate. Listen to me. It is not investing in real estate. It is a cash machine. It is the bridge that you cross to that is from having no money, then this bridge is a bunch of money, to buying assets. That's when you become a real estate investor. And this is the biggest mistake I see. People are getting all these piles of cash in this industry and they're blowing it on stuff that doesn't matter. They are consuming it and not investing in it. Go out there, follow the videos on this page, on this channel, become a TTP student, join the TTP family, then really make a lot of money, and then use that to buy assets and actually become a real estate investor. Okay, right now you're just an income producer. You get this cash, this big piles of cash. It's a cash machine. You need to turn that into assets. Stop buying stuff you don't need to impress everybody, okay? Buy assets and really impress people when you can have the freedom to do whatever the hell you want to do, okay? Wholesaling is not real estate investing, okay? Got it. Number 1, this is a little bit difficult. And by the way, I've got my little pad here. That's why I look down, everyone, just to make sure that I wrote it down and I wanted to get it perfect. The number 1 thing is this. Listen to me. Wholesaling real estate has nothing to do with real estate. It doesn't. It really doesn't. What it has everything to do with is that 6 to 10% of your market, the households in your market that are distressed and have problems, okay? You solve the problem of the seller and you solve the problem of the cash buyer. This is a problem-solving business. It is not a real estate business. Stop trying to figure out everything there is to know about real estate. All you need to know is how to talk to a seller about their property and find the condition of the property, their timeline to sell, their motivation to sell, and their price. And on the flip side, you got to match them up with a cash buyer. Boom, you get in the middle. That's what wholesaling is. It is not about real estate. If you're out there and you have no real estate experience, you are going to crush it, because being naive in this is a blessing. You need to be the dumbest wholesaler on the planet Earth and you will make so much money because you will not get in your own way. So that is the top 5. Okay, 5. The 5th one, creative avoidance. 4, complacency. 3, CBE. 2, wholesaling is not real estate investing. And 1, wholesaling has nothing to do with real estate. Okay? That's it. I hope you got a lot out of this. Comment down below. Also, I want a little bit, this is just a little bit. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, you never know how many people actually do. But if you were on here, if you comment down here and let me know, I want to put out a little survey. We are thinking about getting a new office so that we can have better audio, better sound for these videos and our podcasts. Because as you can see, this is all glass and concrete. Put down below if you think that we should stay in this awesome office space, or if we should get something that is better for the audio, more like a studio. Put down below. If you do comment down below, we're going to pick another person out. I'm going to send you the TTP hat in the mail. If you get selected, we're going to send one out, or maybe 2. So make sure you do that. Comment down below. Let us know. Subscribe to this. If you guys are ready to take this to the next level, if you're ready to be personally mentored by me, go to wholesalinginc.com/TTP. It's going to be on this end bumper there. Just pause it. You can get it. Check out the testimonials. People are going absolutely bananas around the country. I'd love to work with you personally. Till next time, talk to people. See ya.